Hello, everyone. Welcome to Heal Yourself Rather Than See a Doctor. Today, let's talk about Chapter 18, the root cause of hypertension and corresponding treatment. 今天我们讨论第18章，高血压的根本原因及对应的治疗。I'm going to divide into 5 lectures to talk about hypertension. Lecture 1, the root cause of hypertension. Lecture 2, the right way to treat hypertension. Lecture 3, mistake from hospital treatment of hypertension. And Lecture 4, why does cerebral hemorrhage occur while taking antihypertensive drugs. Lecture 5, radical treatment of hypertension, restore the compliance of blood vessels. 那么我将18章分为5个 lecture 来讨论，5个讲座。讲座1，高血压的根本原因；讲座2，高血压的正确治疗方向。Lecture 3讲座3，医院治疗高血压的误区。讲座4，为什么吃着降压药发生了脑溢血？讲座5，高血压的根治方法，恢复血管的顺应性。Okay, so let's start lecture 1. The root cause of hypertension. 高血压的根本原因。A major killer of cardiovascular and cerebral vascular diseases is hypertension. Hypertension can be divided into primary hypertension and secondary hypertension. The former is simply elevated blood pressure and has no causal relationship with other diseases. The latter is elevated blood pressure due to other diseases such as nephritis. 心血管系统的疾病的一大杀手就是高血压。高血压呢有原发性高血压和继发性高血压之分，前者是单纯的血压升高，跟其他疾病没有明显的因果关系。后者呢，是因为其他疾病引起的血压升高，如肾炎等。We only discuss primary hypertension. 我们只讨论原发性高血压，就是老百姓所说的这个高血压啊。Although medical books say that it may be related to genetics, high salt diet, mental stress, etc. In any case, high blood pressure occurs because of problems in the vascular regulatory pathway. 尽管医学书籍上说它可能跟遗传、高盐饮食、精神压力等有关，但不管怎么样高血压都是因为血管调节通路上出了问题才发生的。In particular, the elasticity of blood vessels is poor. It does not contract when it should contract, and it does not expand when it should expand. Okay? So when it should contract, it cannot contract. When it should expand, it cannot expand, which is called the compliance of blood vessels decreasing in medicine. 尤其是血管的弹性差了，它该收缩时不收缩，该舒张时不舒张，在医学上称为血管的顺应性下降。Compliance means that the blood vessels adjust their diameters according to the size of the blood flow. When they contract, they contract, and when they expand to maintain normal blood pressure。顺应性的这个意思啊，是血管随着血流量的大小而自己调整管径，该收缩时收缩，该舒张时就舒张，来维持血压的正常。For example, if one person passes through a door, there is no pressure on the door frame. If 10 people pass through at once, the door frame will be under great pressure, and even the door frame will be crushed. 打个比方，一扇门一个人一个人的通过，门框没有什么压力。要是10个人呀，一下子都通过，门框就会受到很大的压力，甚至门框会被挤破。But if the door frame is elastic and 10 people come, the door frame will expand accordingly and the pressure will be relieved. 但如果门框是有弹性的，10个人来了，门框相应的扩张，压力就缓解了。Human blood vessels have this resilience, but if this resilience is weakened, blood pressure will rise. 人体血管就有这种应变能力，但如果这种应变能力减弱了，血压就会升高。Therefore, the fundamental cause of hypertension is poor vascular elasticity, and the age of the onset of most hypertensive patients also supports this phenomenon. 所以，高血压的根本原因就是血管的弹性差了。绝大多数高血压的患者的发病年龄也支持这一现象。Okay, so see you in the lecture 2 next time.